Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to unbox this. So this is a Jackson Storm, and this one is from the movie series Cars, specifically from the third part, and this one is actually by Mattel. So we unboxed the Lightning McQueen previously. So this one, I think this one was a bit earlier. Yeah, this one was manufactured in the year 2018. So that the one which I unboxed earlier, that one is from the new one. I mean, newer lot I can say. So this one is the older one. Okay, so the box is a lot damaged. So I bought this for 70% off. So I'm happy with it. I don't really give a damn about the box anyway. I'm going to open it. So let's unbox and see how this one looks. It's pretty much open mostly. Okay, let me just throw this out. Okay, honestly, the packing on this one looks way better than the one which we did for Lightning McQueen. It is a bit dusty. Let me just clean it off a little bit. Just give me 1 second. Since the box is actually open for a long time. Actually, the box is broken for a long time. It's not open. I don't know. Let's see about rest of the things. Just give me 1 minute, guys. Okay, I think it's a bit good now. Okay, let's have a closer look now. So the initial impressions, it looks good. It is not too spectacular or anything. So I think this they sold it for I think around $4.99 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, $4.99. So I personally love the rims here. Let me just put some light here. The rims, it looks really cool. It is really deep, and it looks really awesome. And the exhaust here, you can see it is actually embossed and painted on top of it here, but it is not protruding or anything. It's just a little bit embossed, that's it. So the paint job looks nice, but it does have some you can see here paint deterioration, I can say. Okay, so the body is actually made of metal, and the spoiler is made of plastic as usual. There is some lettering here. I'm not sure what it says. It's really hard to read. Liquid. Okay, something is there. Liquid performance, I guess. If I'm not wrong. If anyone knows what it is, please let me know. Even out of camera, I can't able to see what it is properly. But it looks really cool. I'm glad I actually bought this one, but as usual, Mattel being Mattel, literally everything is painted out, like the headlights, tail lights, everything is painted. So even for a 499 rupees car, they are just painting everything. So the mouth is a bit embossed here. The eyes are here, angry eyes. So the chassis is actually plastic. The rims are actually, sorry, the wheels are actually plastic. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, it doesn't roll at all, and there is a lot of wheel wobble on both the wheels. And see, while I'm rolling this, you can see this wheel is not even touching the ground most of the time. And let's put it here and see. Okay, when it has uh, grippy surface like this, all the wheels are rolling properly. But if you put it in a place like this, it is not really good. It makes a lot of noise. If you want to play this on a track, this is not going to be good. It is worst. So the fuel cap here, it is actually mispainted. Like you can see it here, and the actual groove is here, but the paint is a bit off. Okay, it does look good. So if you are planning to play with it, it is not going to be good. But as a showpiece, I think we can keep it as it is. That's it. Again, nothing too spectacular here, or even nothing spectacular here. It's just good. I personally love this rims which is here. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.